Check this out, this beautiful Bromelia flower. It's really amazing. Here I placed it on the windowsill, and it complements the deco very well. Alright guys, I have the description here, and it says this is the ideal house guest. Nice and easygoing. All you have to do is water it regularly in its colorful calyx. Keep the Bromelia in a light to partially shady spot and it will last a long time. And this plant, they say, has been sustainably cultivated with love and respect for nature and better environment. So it's supposed to be kept at the temperature of 15 to 25 centigrade and watered once weekly. Nice.